Welcome to EEG Geeks. If you are just starting to explore EEG, whether you are an undergraduate student or a junior postgraduate, or a student from related fields like psychology or other neurosciences, you've come to the right place. We are thrilled to have you here as we dive into the amazing world of electroencephalography. Our goal is to share knowledge, break down complex concepts, and help you understand and apply EEG in practical and effective way. Together, we will take it step by step, starting with the basic and gradually moving to more advanced topics. And of course, your feedback, comments, and suggestions are more than welcome. We want this space to be interactive and enriching, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts, questions, or ideas. Get ready to learn, get inspired, and fall even more in love with the incredible world of EEG. Shall we begin?